on, लेकिन कुछ भी हो मीडिया फील्ड में ही अटका हूँ.
There's no story. We were just deciding on a name, and like we were thinking about really like good names and different names. And then
Teja, our teammate, she was like, guys, relax, relax, relax. We were like, ठीक है, तू बोल फिर क्या? वो relax ही नाम रख दो.
So I can learn how to love.
Okay. So hello everyone. So this is Mr. Ansh and I'm here with an amazing episode. That is the episode 2 of the Preneur Talks.
Since when I was in the first standard, so that's something I'm doing, and I'm also learning direction with a friend of mine who owns a production house. So like side by side, everything's going on. लेकिन कुछ भी हो मीडिया फील्ड में ही अटका हूँ.
So you want to pursue for the longer time, like you want to go with the media only, right?
Yup, totally. In love with this field. What to do?
Okay, great. So guys, what was the like story behind the name Relaxed? It's a like very quirky name. So what was the story behind this?
so basically there is no story. We were just deciding on a name, and like we were thinking about really like good names and different names. And then one of our friends, like Shitija, who's in our group, she came up with a name that was Relaxed. So we just thought about it, is this good or not? Like we were just confused about it. So one day, everyone was like, we were thinking that we have to change the name from Arjun's Cast to Relaxed. So there was no story, just like that. We just selected a name and everything.
It was more that
I thought you all were relaxing somewhere and you thought of a name. So you thought, yeah, we are relaxing, so it's relaxed.
So basically, it was like. It was like सब मतलब सोच रहे थे कि ये नाम रखे. Everyone were coming up with different names, and then Kshitija, our teammate, she was like, guys, relax. We were like, ठीक है, तू बोल फिर क्या? वो relax ही नाम रख दो.
Okay, so like what was the exact you can say challenges that you must have faced while you were starting the streaming? So what were the challenges that you faced at the initial days?
So mainly there were a lot of challenges, I think. A lot. Like we just thought कि streaming was easy and all, but जब किया तो मालूम पड़ा बहुत hard है. And there were a lot of things that we had to take care. Like the first stream में lag हो रहा था, काफी quality low था, वो सब solve करने में everything. हर बार एक stream में we got to know what was the problem. So हर बार नए चीजें ट्राई करनी पड़ी, अलग ऐप से या फिर अलग एप्लीकेशन से, और वैसे थोड़ा टाइम लगा पर हो गया.
Okay.
biggest problem with us was that हम में से कोई ऐसे कोई टेक वाले नहीं है, और हमने ऐसे कोई मतलब 1 लाख रुपए डाल के कैप्चर कार्ड और एलगाटो स्ट्रीम डेक खरीद के पूरा स्ट्रीम सेटअप तो किया नहीं था. हम लोग का ये था कि जितने कम पैसे में हो सकता है, जितना अच्छा हो सकता है कर दो अच्छी तरीके से.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun.
And we're not still perfect right now, but we're trying very hard, and I think it's our 10th or 11th stream, and अभी काफी बेहतर हो गया है. अब ऑडियो भी आता है, वीडियो भी आता है और गेम भी चल जाता है, तो अभी सब कुछ अच्छा ही चल रहा है.
Yeah. I know there was a stream that we came into and the audio was not coming. Like Arjun's audio was there, but Manav's and Namit's audio was not audible.
भाई हर बार स्ट्रीम करते हो नया प्रॉब्लम बाहर आता था कि ये भी है.
उसके पहले वाले स्ट्रीम में नहीं हो रहा था, अगले स्ट्रीम में हो रहा था, ऐसे बहुत ऐसे. But it is actually fun tackling those problems. It just you learn in the starting so that अभी आगे जाके कभी भी कुछ होगा तो we know what to do.
Okay, great.
And so according to me, I think ऑडियंस इंटरेक्शन स्टार्ट पे हम लोग के लिए थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था बिकॉज लाइव जाना and मतलब यू नो स्ट्रेंजर्स से ऐसे बात करना वो सब इट वाज आउट ऑफ आवर कंफर्ट जोन. माइन, मानव एंड अर्जुन तीनों के कंफर्ट जोन के थोड़ा बाहर था. तो वो उसको कोप अप करने में काफी टाइम लगा.
Yeah, it actually happens because
yes, but
when you are
our audience was also
with the audience.
Yeah. But our audience was like supportive enough, you know, like हम लोग ने जितना efforts दिखाया उससे डबल उन लोग ने दिखाया हमारे साथ मस्ती करने में, बातें करने में. So like from their side also it became very easy, and from our side also, like, you know, we got a help, because of which, you know, it went a bit more smoother than always.
You are able to interact with them and you are able to tell them that yeah, you are facing any issue, and they'll also tell you some solutions. So they'll bear up with you that it's not something that is unusual, it's something that happens.
Right.
So I also believe that audience plays the very important role, and the supporting audience is actually the most important thing that any streamer should
because
have.
our channel is not us, right? It's them. We're just 6 people making videos. It's them who make us a channel. So, and we're really we have that kind of audience जहाँ पे जब हम लोग का वीडियो नहीं चल रहा है, ऑडियो नहीं चल रहा है, तो rather than saying क्या घटिया स्ट्रीम है, they come and tell us अच्छा ये बटन दबाओ इधर जाके, इससे आपका वीडियो ऑन हो जाएगा. And that is how we also learned to resolve issues. So
okay. actually this is the fun.
Totally.
We might do that because
the last benchers or the ones who never got to the college.
Exactly, that one.
Don't go to the college.
Right.
No,
Okay, I think Nahid is facing some internet issues.
He's lagging a bit, but yeah, no problem.
Yeah, he lagged a bit.
Namit, you lagged.
Okay.
Yeah. I know.
Lagged a bit, so you can see.
No problem. Yeah, continue.
Go to the college, but we don't go to the class.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
We are college.
The college starts from the canteen and ends at the canteen.
Yeah, exactly. College starts from the canteen.
That's it.
So, what do you think? Working individually is better or working in a team is a better option?
I think working in a team is better because everything goes in a smooth way. And if we work like individually, I think a lot of burden comes on one person. And like one person is only specifically good in one thing, not in everything. So I think that
actually.
मतलब एक एग्जाम्पल तो आप हमारा पहला वीडियो जाके देखो और अब हमारे ये वीडियोस देखोगे, आपको डिफरेंस समझ में आ जाएगा. उधर मैं और मानव कैमरा में शूट करके उसके आई मूवी पे एडिट कर रहे हैं, उसके डैड एडिट कर रहे हैं हमारे लिए, वो पोस्ट किया हमने. और फिर अब हमारे जो अब वीडियोस और स्ट्रीम जब देखोगे, so you'll realize now that everybody we have, like whether it be, you know, maybe some of my ideas, some of Manav's ideas, some of Namit's ideas, you know, Kshitija being the, you know, she has that marketing head in her brain of those ideas, Yukta getting the Korean audience also, and Amit of course doing the great editing. All of that together has just boosted our channel. हम लास्ट 1 महीने में उतना ग्रो किए जितने हम पिछले 9 महीने में ग्रो किए. So I guess.
Okay, so Namit is the one who is editing the videos and doing all
Amit
this stuff. Amit is doing that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, even I heard Namit.
हम लोग मस्त एक साथ 2 घंटे पहले थे. Namit, what about you?
Okay. Cool. Okay. So the next one is really
documentary that
amazing.
like.
तेरा एक्चुअली लैग हो गया था. कहाँ बोल डॉक्यूमेंट्री क्या बोल.
Okay. I'm so sorry again for the lag. I'm very sorry. हो रहा है, like we are good.
हाँ बोल.
It's good now.
Okay. Cool. So I was editing a documentary that we college students are making, and like Manav is also a part of it. So I was editing that, and like we finished it today, and it turned out to be amazing.
So what is your last closed browser, last closed tab on the browser?
Last close tab.
Right now.
Instagram.
Last close tab.
On the browser, you were browsing Instagram over the
because
Yup.
it's a laptop, na.
I was
Okay.
searching about the brain-eating microbe which just came in Florida. That is what is my last
Okay.
brain-eating
Okay.
microbe which just
You are into current affairs.
अरे मतलब ब्रेन ईटिंग माइक्रोब आ रहा है तो मेरे लिए दिमाग के लिए करंट अफेयर हो जाता है कि दिमाग ना खा जाए यार.
Okay. And Namit,
I have Morgan Freeman ka images ka pura thing on my browser right now because like I wanted a picture of his for my documentary, for which I had to search Morgan Freeman's image from his first film.
he's such a sweet guy.
So
He's
that's
just
on my
working on
browser.
documentary right
So
now.
Amit has a crush on Morgan Freeman because
Dedicated towards one thing.
he every time just talks about Freeman and Freeman and Freeman.
मॉर्गन फ्रीमैन इज अ ग्रेट वेरी वेरी ग्रेट एक्टर. उसकी वॉइस में जो डेप्थ है ना यार, उसकी वॉइस का डेप्थ अलग ही है. उनकी वॉइस
Okay.
मानव ह्यूमन को हिंदी में क्या बोलता है?
अरे
अबे साले कभी मेरा माफ करना, गुस्से में इधर उधर निकल जाता हूँ.
Who out of my friends got hit
इतना
by...
गंदा था ना ये अर्जुन.
Hey, Arjun was saying something. Arjun said,
I'm saying who out of my friends got hit by puberty the best? I think that was Manav. If you see it, you should like have a chat with me and we'll just show Manav's pictures before 10th grade and then you'll see his pictures now. You'll be like, kya?
वही बंदा है.
What happened?
Like,
So I was like, I had a mustache back then in 7th grade and all. I had a mustache this much and I
Nothing great.
don't know what happened. This is
जेठालाल.
I wasn't fat,
Okay.
but I was like very. How
was
can I?
very-
I didn't have.
Yeah.
Very thin, short.
He looked like a caterpillar back then.
Amit,
I
you
saw the
weren't even
pictures.
there
He
at that
literally looked like a
Amit, you weren't
caterpillar.
even there at that time.
So, Namit, can you please enact any dialogue from Karan and Kabir?
Any dialogue from Karan and Kabir. उसमें सारे डायलॉग्स बहुत कैजुअल थे. कोई एक
तेरा कोई टैगलाइन था?
Was there any tagline?
नहीं यार,
in Karan
कोई
and
टैगलाइन
Kabir?
नहीं था. Like the most famous dialogue from Karan and Kabir was, "Mom, Karan फिर से मेरी पॉकेट मनी."
Okay.
Thank you for watching this amazing episode, and the next episode is coming up really very soon. So stay tuned for the next episode.